Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 5, Conclusion. In this course, you have learned about Elastic Disaster Recovery, EDR, on AWS and how it can help you recover your IT systems and data in the event of a disaster. You have explored the benefits of using EDR, the lifecycle of EDR, and best practices for setting up, operating, and recovering with EDR. Key takeaways from this course include understanding the concept of EDR and its benefits for disaster recovery, knowing how to set up EDR, including preparing your environments, accessing the EDR console, configuring replication settings, creating IAM user credentials, installing the replication agent, and configuring launch settings. Understanding how to operate EDR, including monitoring replication status and performance, troubleshooting common issues, and following best practices for operation. Knowing how to recover with EDR, including performing a disaster recovery failover and failback, and following best practices for recovery. By completing this course, you are now equipped with the knowledge and skills to implement Elastic Disaster Recovery on AWS and ensure that your IT systems and data are protected and recoverable in the event of a disaster.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.